Here is a quick guide to install and run React.js app on VS Code. Let's start. Click on 3 lines on left-hand side. Then navigate to File and select the folder to install the React app. Now close the default tab. Press Ctrl+J on keyword to open the terminal and select the terminal tab. To install the React.js, type this command shown in video on terminal, then press Enter. It will give you default template of React app. Now select React option using down arrow key and press Enter, then select JavaScript. Now type npm I to install all dependencies on terminal. Once installation is finished, type npm run dev to start the React.js app. Now press Ctrl plus left mouse button to open the app on browser. Now you can see default interface of the React.js app. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, like this video and subscribe the channel.